So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a Python script that automatically sends the PDF, basically the screenshot of this dashboard to the end users via email. So one thing we all know, the Power BI has an inbuilt subscribe feature where you can send the PDF of your dashboard. But the main drawback of it is we cannot send it to the external users, and the user needs to be a Power BI Pro user or a premium user, which is really expensive. So my today's solution will be free of cost. We'll be making a Python script and we'll be automating it based on your requirements and my requirement, whether to send it daily or every hour. So the first thing that I will do is I will be opening the Visual Studio Code. I will be making a new automate PDF script, and I will be right clicking and open the code. So this is not a beginner's tutorial, so if you guys are new to Python, please watch any other tutorial, or else I will be making the tutorial later on. So this is intermediate tutorial, and even in this program I will be using cloud and other various tools to generate the code. So the first thing we'll do is we'll make a Python file. I will be naming it test.py. And before starting everything, I will be breaking down the code into three parts. So the first thing that we will be doing is we'll be opening the Power BI file. Power BI file. One second, I will just comment this. We'll be opening the Power BI file. This will be the first function. And the second thing that we'll be doing is we will be capturing the screenshot. And the third part would be to send the PDF as an email. So the code will be divided into three parts. So to start it off, first we need to install the PIP. I am just giving the commands here. So these are the PIP commands. We need to install the PyAutoGUI and the SMTP library below and login. So I've already installed this, so still I will be clicking OK. So it will be showing already satisfied because I've already installed this modules. So the next thing is I will be jumping directly to import. Let this finish 1 second. Okay, so the first thing that I will do is I will be importing all the libraries. These are the list of the libraries. I've already generated the code using the cloud and ChatGPT. So I'll be just explaining the code and giving you the overview. So we are importing the OS time, the PyAutoGUI. It is used for using the mouse and the keyboard of your computer. And this is the SMTP library which will be used to send the email. And we are importing time, and these are from the SMTP module. 1 second. So the next thing is we'll configure the login. I'm just copy pasting the code again. And here we will be placing our Power BI file. In this we just have to place the file. You can have your own file here. And the next would be the output directory for your PDF screenshot. After the refresh and screenshot process, an output directory is used to keep your Power BI files. So the next function is the important one, which is the open and refresh Power BI. So in this what happens is the function opens the Power BI file and then it clicks on the refresh button. So here the first thing that you have to do is you have to make a you have to take the snippet of your refresh button and you have to give the path of the refresh button. So the AutoGUI, it locates it on your screen and then it clicks it. The next function would be to capture the screenshot. After the refresh function, it will then capture a screenshot and save it into the output path that we have given. So just let me run this program. You can see it's automatically refreshing. I'm not clicking anything on my mouse. So let us see the code once. Okay, we can see PDF created at the path file. You can see here the PDF has been created. Let us go to this path once. Okay, so we can see the screenshot is just created. We need to just add the sleep. We have to increase the sleep time now to just remove this refresh part, else the PDF is created. Okay. So yeah, just on the board sleep we're going to increase the time to 40, and here I will be just increasing the capture time to 15. Okay, this will be perfect. And the next thing would be to send the email. So I will be just copy pasting the email code. 1 second. But before going to the email part, let me just show you the snippet of the refresh button. So you have to make a refresh, you have to take a snippet of refresh button like this, and then you have to paste the file of that PNG right here, locate center on the screen. So what it does, it locates the refresh button on the screen and then just clicks it. So this is a very important part. Now let us move to the email part. So moving on to the send email part. So for this function, the main thing is to have a app password. So for the app password, I'll be just opening one Chrome tab. Here you can just see, you have to just go to the setup app passwords on your Google account. You can just go to this website and you can just see the steps here. So you have to go to security and then app password, then you have to set up your device, and there just again select your device and you will be generating your password. So here, 1 second. Here in the sender password, you need to have your own password there, and you will be having a sender email and the recipient email. You have to just, you can make your list how many of them you want to send. There is no limit on this, but just you cannot spam it every second. The limit I think is of 15 per second. Else if you are sending every hour or every 10-15 minutes, there shouldn't be any issue. So here again, for message from to and the subject, the basic format of an email. And the main thing here is the attached PDF. So the PDF that we are generating using the screenshot of the PowerBI, that will be attached here, and then you have to just send the email using the SMTP library. Just like this. Okay, perfect. So now we also have the function to capture the screenshot, and then we can just send the email. So I'm gonna try it once again. Okay. I'll be just closing this file, both of the file. Don't save. Don't save. Clear. Run. Okay, now it's getting refreshed. Okay, let us go to the Visual Studio Code now. The PDF is saved. Okay, we can see the email successfully sent to one recipient. So I'll be just opening my email. Yes, we can see here. See, we can see the email getting sent to my email, and we can use any of the Gmail instead of the official work emails. We can use the @Gmail also. So thank you guys for watching this video, and the next video that I'll be making is of the HR dashboard. So make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you.